You welcome to Dan of Knowledge. I'm by name Tamo Christopher Shukuma. Tamo Christopher Shukuma. I'm here to present a topic, forms of technology in basic 3. Forms of technology. Forms of technology. Before going over to form of technology, let us explain what technology is all about. Technology can be defined as application of scientific knowledge, skill, idea for producing things. I come again. That technology can be defined as an application of scientific word, knowledge, skill, idea for producing things in a repeatable way. Let me give an example before we move further. Sometimes you can fold a car with paper. You can fold an aeroplane with paper. You are practicing what? A technology. Remember that technology is mainly for everybody, both male and female. Nobody is exempted in terms of technology. Let's go over to the forms of technology. Technology is classified into 2. Number 1 is underdeveloped technology. Under what? Underdeveloped technology. What is underdeveloped technology? Underdeveloped technology is a type of technology that resulted from our forefathers, indigenous technology, whereby our fathers was making use of what they have at that right point in time. An example you see, pot, cup. These are the product of what? Underdevelopment. Remember, there was nothing like slippers before. They didn't wear cloth before. Rather, they used what? Animal skin to cover their private part. That was under what? Under development. Am I communicating? Number 2 is developed technology. Developed technology. What is developed technology? That's the technology we find ourselves now. We can be able to see a lot of products produce. By yourself you can produce. We can wear slippers now. We can enter car now. We can be able to enter aeroplane presently now. We can be able to practice using computer, computing some certain number. These are regarded as a product of what? Developed technology. Am I communicating? Within yourself you can see. You can be able to write. Remember, before there was nothing like marker. There was nothing like whiteboard. We make use of what? Chalk and blackboard. But presently, with the aid of technology, we're able to write with what? Marker and what? Whiteboard. Let's look at the benefit of this technology. What this technology have done? It creates unemployment. Technology creates what? Employment. Some of you, your fathers are working at the factory. Some of you, your fathers are mechanic. Some of you, your fathers are working maybe in government parastatals. This developed technology is now doing what? Applied. Number 2, developed technology creates comfortability. You will be in your house, sitting there comfortable, watching movies, using your phone, watching movies. It is as a result of what? Technology. Number 3, developed technology bring peace. There is peace here and there. It's because of what? Developed technology. Number 4, we also believe that developed technology create what? Comfort. As we mentioned, it brings wealth, social life. Lastly, we find out that developed technology create environmental sustainability. That is where we find ourselves presently now. I believe, students, by this you can define what technology is all about, classify technology into forms: the underdeveloped technology, developed technology, and equally the benefit of technology. We are going to stop here for now until when we meet again. Take care of yourself. Bye.